To set up the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you're going to start by opening the Settings app. Tap on Connections and select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. From here, tap on Mobile Hotspot, and all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle at the top to turn it on. If you're currently connected to our Wi-Fi network, you'll be prompted to disconnect so that your mobile hotspot can be switched on. From here, you can now see how much data you're going to be using with multiple devices connected, and then you can see your device name, password, as well as the bandwidth. So now if you want to change any of these options, go ahead and select one and customize to your liking. Remember, after you finished any of the customizations here, to tap on Save to apply the changes. And now you can have someone connecting to your mobile hotspot. So go ahead and try to let someone connect to your mobile hotspot. You can choose to use the one-time QR code so that it's easier for someone to be able to connect. And once they've scanned that QR code, you can see they've successfully connected to your mobile hotspot. So now the more data they use, the more you'll be able to see exactly how much they're currently using for that specific device against the total for the day. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.